Assault gate. Bibhav Kumar, the accused in this case, the key accused, the assaulter, is being taken for medical examination to the hospital right now, and we are getting visuals coming in right now. Bibhav Kumar being taken to Aruna Asif Ali Hospital, and the Delhi police is taking Bibhav Kumar for medical examination. My colleague Aditya is right now joining us live from ground zero to get us more. Aditya, what is the latest you're picking up? Bibhav Kumar is being taken for medical examination.
Well, Rakshita, sometime back the Delhi police the convoy of Delhi police has just left from the civil lines police station, and they took Bibhav Kumar to Aruna Asif Ali Hospital for a medical checkup. And we should remind the viewers that for about 4.5 since morning, Bibhav Kumar was in the police station, and the police was interrogating and questioning him regarding the case. And post about around 6:30, he was taken out and then taken to Aruna Asif Ali Hospital for further for a medical checkup. And now, post that today or tomorrow, he will be produced in the Hazari court. Well, Rakshita.
Absolutely, of course, absolutely. Aditya, the trouble is right now mounting for Bibhav Kumar. Of course, Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, the entire party is already battling the liquor gate right now. The allegations, and of course, they have been charge sheeted. The entire party, for in a first in this entire country, had been charge sheeted in the liquor gate, and now it's a double whammy. What we are understanding that some of the video clips were also presented by Bibhav Kumar's lawyers today in court. What is the latest you're picking up on that, as far as the evidence is presented by the Aam Aadmi Party or Bibhav Kumar's lawyer is concerned?
Well, the entire legal team of Bibhav Kumar were present outside the civil lines police station. And let me remind our viewers that, in the afternoon, in the morning when Bibhav Kumar was brought to civil lines police station, there was an altercation between the Delhi police and the legal team of Bibhav Kumar. So it became very unclear as to what are the things happening. So as far as the video of the cases is about to take place, so many videos were already circulating on the social media and other places as well. Yes, well, Rakshita.
Absolutely, of course. These are the latest visuals that we have got, viewers, on your screens. Bibhav Kumar being taken for medical examination to Aruna Asif Ali Hospital. He is all set to be presented in Tees Hazari Court. And remember, this matter is right now picking up pace. The investigation is picking up pace. Kejriwal's close aide, his PA, his right-hand man, his man Friday is in big trouble. And remember, today it was confirmed that he was indeed arrested in the afternoon. Remember, there were many of the versions that were coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party that he has only been taken for questioning, that he's only been taken into custody for questioning. But today it was clarified by the court that he was indeed, right now he was arrested. Now Aditya continues to get us all the latest. Now Aditya, what do we expect from here? What do we expect next from here on? Because as we were just talking about how the evidences have been already produced, there have been altercations and whatnot, been dramatic turn of events. But this, in the run-up to the hearing, what do we really expect from here on?
Well, Rakshita, as far as this case is concerned, Bibhav Kumar might over this issue, and he might he has been charged under some sections which are non-bailable in nature, and it needs to be seen as to where this case is headed. And it is very unlikely that he will get bail in this case, because yesterday he filed for an anticipatory bail plea. Well, Rakshita.
In fact, there were many reactions that had come in today, viewers. There was a press conference by Atishi also. There was a video that was released, viewers, today by Arvind Kejriwal, but he chose to stay mum. He chose to stay silent. He mounted attack on the BJP. He said that the Aam Aadmi Party will be holding a protest march to the BJP headquarters, that the party workers and the leaders will घेर out the BJP headquarters. But there was not a word as far as the assault gate is concerned. concerned. We have seen just when the story broke, there was Sanjay Singh's version that Arvind Kejriwal will not tolerate this and he will take an action. The very next day, we see Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, traveling with Bibhav Kumar, and now we have an all-out attack on the victim, on Swati Maliwal. That, of course, is something that is leading up to a big political face-off. Aam Aadmi Party going on to level allegations against the BJP, that it is all being orchestrated by the BJP. We'll keep a track of more developments coming in, and thank you so much, Aditya, for joining us with those updates from Ground Zero. We will come back to you as Bibhav Kumar will be presented in the Tees Hazare court.